Hello students, my English name is Batuk and my Mongolian name is Batur. I'm 13 years old. I currently live with my family in the capital city of Ulaanbaatar. I am studying as a second language at the Happy Learning Academy. My parents believe that learning English will bring many benefits and contributes to my future success. The topic of my speech today is English as a second language is a bridge to my future success. I really feel the importance of English my life here at the HLA now. Let me tell you that let's start my daily life. First of all, my dream job because it's a construction engineer, and for that I have set some course. My first course is I wanted to study and make also we can be good and everything. Any more English language because English is so important, just like we can communicate others by speaking on it, and we can get a job and many more opportunity to that. I really to still harder as long as I am here at the Happy Learning Academy. My truly to have the opportunity to use and with others using the English language. We have the daily classes and activities together. It shares our daily bridge to your future success. Thanks for listening, students and the teachers.